Track number 2H. In this track, recording has been done from page number 92 to page number 98. It covers recording of section B, writing skills, C, very long compositions. Under it, 1, article writing. Introduction. Writing article involves a high degree of writing skill, rich vocabulary, and thorough knowledge of the topic. An article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing especially for the newspapers, magazines, etc. It is written for a specific purpose like informing, persuading, convincing, or entertaining the readers. Some examples for writing article. 1. While traveling by train, you happen to overhear the following conversation between two mothers. Mrs. Bhatt said, Manoj is very tensed about his examinations. I fear he doesn't do anything rash. Mrs. Dikshit replied, My son showed signs of nervous breakdown, so I took him to a psychiatrist. Then I found that he was taking sleep-depriving drugs. Mrs. Bhatt said, I think there are a lot of yoga exercises that can help them during the examination time. On hearing this dialogue, you decide to write an article for the school magazine on examination based stress and means by which students could overcome them. Answer. Examination based stress and means by which students could overcome them. Examination time is the time to revise all that one has studied throughout the year, memorize formulas, mug up history lessons, and brush up experiments. But then this is also the time for nervous breakdowns and stress related disorders. The urge to perform best at the time of the final examination is significant enough to trigger stress related disorders in the students. Some react on the hyper side and develop anxiety, while others react on the lower side and end up with depression. Both are equally dangerous. Long-term suppression or repression of emotions is the cause of most lifestyle disorders. In the examination system that prevails today, the capabilities and knowledge of students are being judged only by the performance in the final exam. The right way is to evaluate the student throughout the year and then decide about the performance. During the examination time, many students get addicted to tea, coffee, alcohol, smoking, or sleep depriving drugs. Once addicted, the addiction is permanent. All these drugs in the long run are harmful to the body. Tea, coffee, and alcohol all increase symptomatic activity in the body, resulting in increased heart rate and blood pressure. The resultant performance anxiety may actually end up in performing worse. The best answer, therefore, is to work hard throughout the year, not keeping everything for the last moment. Many avenues are there to de-stress the mind. Learning stretching exercise like Jadasana helps remove boredom, and regular cervical and back exercise help in maintaining the correct posture and keeping away backache and cervical pain that are common nuisance at the time of examination. Deep breathing exercise such as pranayam help in relaxing the body and mind. Giving a break to the brain by diverting attention to something else like watching TV or hearing music can help increase the creativity. Most importantly, a balanced diet should be taken and addictive substances should be avoided. Glossary. Revise, पुनरावृत्ति, trigger, प्रेरित करना, anxiety, चिंता, depression, अवसाद, repression, रोक, prevail, प्रचलित, deprive, वंचित करना, avenue, path, mark. Second, Manish is writing an article on ice cream for the school magazine. He referred to an encyclopedia and made the following notes. Use the information in the notes to complete his article. Origin: China, Syria, 2000 BC, brought to Europe by Marco Polo in 13th century. English colonist took recipe to US in the 18th century. Manufacture: earlier ingredients placed in metal containers surrounded by ice and salt mixture. Now ingredients mixed, pasteurized, homogenized, cooled, frozen, beaten until smooth. Types: parfait, mousses, not beaten during freezing. Tortoni, sprinkled with powdered dry fruits. Spumoni, mousses plus fruits and nuts. Lolly, water ice cream or stick. Answer: ice cream. Ice cream is a popular frozen confection made from fat, milk solids and sugar. Ice cream probably originated in China around 2000 BC. The recipe for water ices was first brought to Europe by the Italian traveler Marco Polo in the late 13th century, with ice cream becoming popular in the 17th century. English colonists took the recipe to the United States in the early 18th century. Early production methods consisted on placing the ingredients in metal containers surrounded by a freezing mixture of ice and coarse salt and mixing them until smooth. In modern plants, the basic ingredients are poured into a tank where they are mixed and pasteurized. The mixture is then homogenized to break up particles of butter fat, cooled, piped to a freezing tank, and beaten until smooth. At this stage, nuts or fruits are sometimes added. The ice cream emerges from the freezing tank partially frozen and is packed into containers that are stored in a garret room until hard. Several forms of ice cream are made. French ice cream is enriched with egg yolks. Parfaits and mousses are ice cream preparations that have not been beaten during the freezing process. Biscuit tortoni is a rich ice cream sprinkled with powdered almonds or macaroons, and spumoni is a mousse-like ice cream to which fruits and nuts have been added. Soft ice cream made of the same ingredients as ordinary ice cream is sold as it comes from the freezer before hardening. An ice lolly is frozen ice cream or water ice on a stick. Glossary: कन्फेक्शन मीठा, होमोजेनाइज्ड एक रूप करना, इमर्ज निकलना, पार्शली आंशिक रूप में, एनरिच मिला होना. Third, you are Prakash Oza of class 11th. You observe that there is a steep decline in reading habits amongst children. The major cause for this is the TV. Write an article in the newspaper on ways to promote reading. Answer: ways to promote reading. The habits of children are changing with the change and advancement science has brought in the society. Earlier, the pastime for children were books, but with the advancements and new discoveries, television has took the place of books. As today the scene is there are more than 100 channels. Children get booked with the cartoon channel most of their time. Schools, teachers and parents must take initiative to promote reading habits. There should be compulsory library hours for students. Apart from course books, storybooks reading can also be promoted. Children must be explained importance of reading. Reading must be made interesting. Glossary: initiative कदम, promote बढ़ाना, compulsory आवश्यक. Fourth, you are Ajay Mathur. You happen to see the following lines up in a newspaper. Motorcyclist injured in road accident. Free press news service, Ujjain. A fast moving jeep on Friday rammed into a motorcyclist, rendering him seriously injured. The accident occurred at Panbihar. According to sources, the jeep first rammed into the motorcyclist and then dashed into an electric pole. Meanwhile, the police have arrested the driver of the jeep and the injured motorcyclist was admitted to civil hospital. You decide to write an article in the local daily titled "License to Drive is not license to kill." Write the article in about 150 to 200 words. Answer. License to drive is not license to kill. With the increase in population, the amount of traffic is naturally increasing. Big cities are becoming bigger and more crowded. Life has become very fast. Everybody seems to be in a hurry. Drivers use their strength at the accelerator in order to reach their destination as soon as possible. Due to overspeeding, there has been a great increase in accidents. There are some other reasons also. For example, people have now become less tolerant. They lack self-discipline. A driver with a bigger vehicle takes it as a challenge if someone with a smaller one overtakes him. Then a race begins between the two, and the natural result is a serious accident. Due to the fast pace of life, we remain under stress all the time. There is stress due to family issues, there is stress due to work related issues, and then there is a climatic effect also. In hot countries like India, people are prone to have a hot temper. And then there is another reason. There are no stringent penalties for those who break the traffic rules. In the absence of severe penalties, people ignore traffic rules at their will. The cure of each ill lies in removing the causes. Therefore, we should avoid road rage and be disciplined motorists. We should know traffic rules and be courteous to fellow drivers. If we have an appointment, we should start well in time. We shouldn't carry any stress while driving. Written by Ajay Mathur. Glossary. Overspeeding, अत्यधिक तेज. Prone, झुका हुआ. Stringent, सख्त, कठोर. Courteous, विनीत, शालीन. 5. You are Rohit, residing 11C RTS Colony, Bilaspur. Recently, you have attended a seminar on road safety movement organized by the Rotary Club of your district. Write an article on this seminar. Answer. Road safety movement. A seminar was conducted by the Rotary Club of Bilaspur on road safety movement. The seminar was attended by more than 500 people all over the state. The purpose of the seminar was to bring about awareness among people regarding the road safety measures, which could minimize the accident and reckless driving on the roads. The experts from traffic police and officials concerned conducted the meeting with the Rotary Club member. The seminar was praised by the people who joined it. The road safety movement should be encouraged in each city to make it safe and beautiful. Glossary. Awareness, Jagrukta. Seminar, Adhyan Goshti. Question 6. With the help of the words given below, produce a write-up on the advantages of small family. 1. Population growth. 2. Problems of a large family. 3. 1 or 2 children. 4. Better facilities. 5. Enjoy life. Answer. Advantages of small family. Population growth is the great problem in our progressing country. Today, in a family, if there are more than 5 persons, parents cannot afford to give them proper education, clothes and food. If any family has 1 or 2 children, parent can provide them better facilities and they can live life with full enjoy. So it is clear that if we have a small family, we can enjoy our life and educate our children better and provide them all types of enjoyment. It is so clear that where there is a small family, there is happiness. 7th, last week as you were coming back from school, you happened to see a huge plastic bag full of leftovers of food being flung into the middle of the road from a speeding car. You wondered how people can be so devoid of civic sense. Write an article in 125 to 150 words on why we lack civic sense and how civic sense can be inculcated in children at a very young age. You are Sham or Shivani. Answer. To develop civil sense, Swachh Bharat by Sham. A society of people is known by its civic sense and the manner they adopt in maintaining their life and activities. If they lack in their manners and other virtues, others will form an adverse opinion about them since manners go on activating ourselves properly. We should be cautious in doing our daily routine. In the house and the outside, we must respect the civic sense. These makes our character. There is no harm in making our surrounding neat and clean, since wisdom prevails in cleanliness. While returning from school, I saw a huge plastic bag full of food left over was just flung into the middle of the road by a man through a speeding car. It looked very odd, not only to me but also to the others. In reality, by throwing any kind of food item except in the dustbin, we are causing pollution and a birth to innumerable harmful bacteria which may spread any kind of cancerous disease. Further, this revoke the traffic and birds and animals collect these to eat them up. This is against our social and moral values. Birds can fly with these packets and may throw on anything which may cause anything wrong to the affected person. In addition to this, such items give birth to flies, mosquitoes, and invite stray dogs, etc., to feed on them, which in turn may harm their bodies. This disturbs the smooth flow of traffic and may cause any mishappening. Shame on us that we are vitiating the environment for the thing. We should be very cautious and inculcate among our children the best habit of cleanliness and never to throw things anywhere except at the right places. The parents, society, teachers, and others should make their wards understand the worth of civic sense. It will keep us healthy, wealthy, and wise. Let us survive hygienically and peacefully on this Mother Earth, as all allow the right to do so for others and realize the dream of making Swachh Bharat as being propagated by the worthy Prime Minister of India. Glossary: prevail, प्रचलित होना, flung, पड़ा होना, revoke, दबा देना, इनकलकलेट, मन में बैठाना, विशिएटिंग, नष्ट करना, प्रोपेगेटेड, प्रचलित. 8. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the importance of outdoor games. You are Sanjeev or Sangeeta. Answer: Importance of outdoor games by Sanjeev. It is well said that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Outdoor games not only make us physically fit, but also it develops our mental health. Sports and games develop our concentration, power, and build personality. Unluckily, the value of sports in India remains unappreciated. Games and its lovers are regarded in an inferior light than academically inclined persons. The natural spirit of children for robust and healthy outdoor games is thus declined. Thus, only a few children are fascinated to make career in sports. This attitude of ours has recently taken a beating in the Rio Olympics, where our performances left much to be desired. The more students are required to be encouraged to play the sport of their choice. Moreover, talent should be spotted right at the level of school and nurtured regularly with the best facilities and training possible. Parents are also needed to praise the value of games and sports for personality development. The government should also channelize more funds to develop and nurture sports talent. All the teenagers have a dream to get something in their life. What they are going to become tomorrow depends on what the youth dream today. Glossary: academically, शैक्षणिक, incline, पतन, fascinated, आकर्षित. 9. Write an article in about 200 words on the role of youth in national development to be published in your school magazine. You are Mukesh or Mukta. Answer: the role of youth in national development. Youth are the power and hope of our nation. Our nation's future depends on them. They can play a very creative role in the development of a nation. Nowadays, the role of youth has become very important because the modern age is changing very fast. The advent of internet has brought a revolution in the field of information and technology. The educated youth can help in nation's development by attending the shortcomings in various fields. They can remove the illiteracy, ignorances, and superstition by proving them with true facts. Many youths are taking interest in the field of agriculture by adopting the new and modern techniques. The problem of unemployment and underemployment is being eradicated gradually by establishing small scale industries. The youths are becoming aware about the population growth and they are becoming cautious about the family planning. Now they are presenting living examples to others. They can play a vital role in making India a great democratic, progressive, and prosperous nation. At length, they can play a vital role in transforming the moral values in society by curbing the vices of selfishness and greed. Glossary Advent Agaman Superstition Andhavishwas Eradicated Samapt. 10th, to have complexion is an obsession in our society. Demand for fair brides in matrimonial columns and sale of fairness creams are evidence enough. Write an article in 150 to 200 words giving your views on beautiful mind is better than a fair complexion. You are Natwar or Nimmi. Use the following clues. The West people like to be tanned. Fair complexion, only skin deep. Beautiful mind, attitude to life, behavior in society, etc. Answer. Beautiful mind is better than a fair complexion by Natwar. In Indian society, there is a complex in girls about the preference of fair complexion. It is true that complexion is an obsession in our society and hence the fairness comes on the top of our lips. But we are always being away from the reality. It is to be observed that people of the most areas are of fair complexion because of the atmosphere where they live. In hilly areas also, people are found of fair complexion because of the atmosphere. There is no overstatement in the fact that this look beautiful and the other sex is automatically attracted towards the opposite sex. But we cannot examine that this fair skin is only deep to some extent, otherwise it is like all those who possess whitish or brown complexion. We must think deeply that beauty can be observed as well as seen in the dark complexion, since much depends on her nature, behavior, manners, actions, and way towards life. It is notable if we believe in such beauty standards, which are only skin deep. We are teaching ourselves to hate our bodies. It is a way of discontent of life. If we are good within ourselves, we can increase our self confidence and lead ourselves towards total self upliftment. The inner beauty is required to develop the intellectual beauty. It is the very shameful condition that nowadays the advertisements and TV channels are ruling our minds by marketing their products through these means, and we are blindly following it. What kind of education and civil awareness we have got in schools and our homes. We are very proud of our education, but it is very sad that we have not yet learned to manage to free ourselves from this trivial mindset. Glossary Obsession Manorog Overstatement Atishokti Discontent Asantosh Trivial Tuch. 11th, every activity that man indulges in creates waste of some kind. Some of waste can be recycled or reused. In fact, the need of the hour is to conserve the earth's resources in all possible ways. Write an article on the topic Conservation Need of the Hour in 150 to 200 words. You are Brinda, a keen environmentalist. Or 4 rules of saving environment are recycling, reusing, reducing, and refusing. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on how students can make use of these rules in their lives and save the environment. Make use of the clues given below. Unusual plastic, paper, and glass articles to be sold for recycling. Rough work to be done on blank sides of old exercise books. Make minimum use of everything: water for washing and bathing, electricity at home and at school. Refuse to buy anything more than what you really need. Answer: conservation need of the hour. by Brinda. Conservation, which is a basic necessity for healthy living, has become a luxury in many Indian households, especially in semi urban and rural areas. Conservation is inevitable. If we have to survive, it is necessary that each one of us works towards conservation. Nature has fulfilled all our needs, and yet we are so cruel and savage that we have forgotten our responsibilities. We have a limited supply of resources, hence, it is very important for us to use them judiciously. If we don't realize the need to conserve now, the earth will be devoid of all life in a few years. It will be a dirty and barren wasteland with the sun blazing over the vast expanse of desert. Conservation should become a religious duty. It is our foremost duty to protect the benefactor of our existence on this planet, nature. We can save our environment from being polluted. Also, we can make it worth living through our best efforts. By recycling bits of paper and torn clothes, we can prepare paper, cardboard, and toys. The waste steel can also be melted to give it a proper shape. If we think in a positive way, we can use all the waste things and recycle them. So, let us make a resolution to conserve the earth's resources in all the possible ways so that we may be able to use the resources in future. Glossary: inevitable, anivarya; savage, jungly; barren, banjar; resolution, sankalp. 12th, write an article to be published in your school bulletin on how the cable TV is both a boon and a bane. Your article should not exceed 200 words. Cable TV, a boon or a bane. Television is a gift of science which has the advantages of radio and cinema. We can see numerous programs around the whole day. We can watch TV programs through channels, that is cable TV, whether we are sitting in very remote place. No doubt, cable TV has become the fastest growing medium of mass communication. It recreates the taste of everyone. We can watch movies, TV serials, ODIs, news, etc. It can be used effectively for educational and literary seminars as well as in the promotion of health and hygiene. Now, the viewers are fully equipped with the latest information of every field. TV is a powerful medium of publicity for forming public opinion. But here it is very important to know about the evil effects of watching TV. It has vitiated our lives by making us addict to the nonsense box. Late night watching TV disturbs the peaceful and routine life. Moreover, the students are more fascinated to watch TV programs which are not useful for them. The housewives postpone their important work. The commercial advertisements develop the habit of superfluous consumption. At length, cable TV is the boon in the sense of getting it in informative way, and its excessive watching of unnecessary programs is a bane for mankind. Glossary: equipped, सज्जित; vitiate, दूषित करना; postpone, टालना; excessive, अत्याधिक. 13th, Seema Pant had a discussion with her friend on co-education. After hearing the negative views towards the subject from her friend, Seema decides to write an article on the advantages of co-education for a famous monthly magazine, Kanya. Write her article in not more than 200 words. Answer: advantages of co-education. Kanya, March 2000 by Seema Pant. Co-education gives chance to the boys and girls to grow and study together in harmony. In this way, the spontaneous fear and the secret about the opposite sex is removed away from the mind. Nowadays, the girls are also taking the equal education and constantly striving to be equal to boys in all spheres of life. Therefore, it is inevitable to prepare the girls from childhood to endow themselves with the psychological and intellectual level. Equally, men are working with women colleagues and feel comfortable in working relationship. In this situation, the male domination or sense of superiority is gradually being declined. In this way, the boys and the girls are having the equal respect for each other individually. Co-education builds the overall development in both by removing many complexes. It is found that an adult man's behavior in society is dependent on the environment he grows in. Co-education builds the teenagers to learn the meaning of adjustments by getting the viewpoints of the other party. All the values like confidence, tolerance, maturity, quality, ability, and the feeling of competition are being fed in adolescence through co-education in school. Glossary Harmony सामंजस्य Inevitable अनिवार्य Endo देना Domination प्रभुत्व Adolescent किशोर 14. Many children get nervous before the board exams, which affects their health and performance. Good counseling is needed to help them overcome what is called exam fever. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on need for counseling before board exams. You are Mallika or Mihir. Answer: Need for counseling before board exams by Mihir. Board examination create the exam phobia and it is very necessary to overcome from it. Otherwise, the children may get nervous and cannot perform well in the exam. Even though they know the answers very well, before the board exams, many extra classes are held. More assignments are given to the students. Mock tests, which is called pre-board exams, are held. By doing all these exercises, the students do not overcome from the exam fear or exam phobia, but one thing is required to do: attempt the devising mechanism to de-stress the students by organizing workshops or counseling sessions. The mechanism works as a miracle effect on the students' mind and they concentrate their mind for the board exams. For this, the schools may need the help of professional counselors. These counselors understand the mentality of those students who are stressed and help them realize the anxiety and fear factor. The anxiety and exam fear gradually comes in their mind. Apart from the counselors, the teacher may also guide the students how to make the plans for study and for the time management, how to build self-confidence so that they may not lose their confidence in the exam hall. Parents can also help their children in guiding them by following the simple tips like scolding is not the remedy to control the habits of children. The positive environment is very necessary in the home to make the situation balance in their study and other activities. Providing healthy food and snacks during the daytime and getting relaxed and proper sleep at night is also very necessary. Here, the parents should sacrifice themselves for their children. They should avoid the adverse situations and statements which create anxieties or fear. They should make their children understand that exam is just another event in one's life and not a devil or something to be afraid of. Glossary Overcome परिस्थिति से बाहर निकलना Miracle चमत्कार Gradually क्रमशः Sacrifice त्याग Adverse विपरीत 15. India is a tourist paradise, but we have not really exploited our tourism possibilities. Write an article in 125 to 150 words on tourism in India. You are Ravi or Rani. Answer: Tourism in India by Ravi. There are many tourist places in India as it has the glorious past. Now these tourist places are the main economic source of India. India's rich cultural heritage, ancient monuments, world famous temples, architectural masterpieces, wild animal sanctuaries and scenic spots hold a great attraction for the foreigners to visit. Our states are having enough chances of tourism. In earlier times, it was treated like an industry, but in present scenario, the situation has been altered. Now, we people are enjoying a unique range of tourist services. The survey of World Tourism Organization depicts our prestigious status among other countries. Some states like Goa, Rajasthan, Kerala and Haryana have well done in tourism development. Earlier, there was the lack of trained manpower and the lack of awareness in the tourism development. One thing is very important to heed over our hospitality towards the foreigners. They should not get frustrated and disappointed at any cost. Hence, it is very important to check the touts who misinterpret and cheat the tourist. Since we have a past potential in tourism, we must behave with the foreigners as Atithi Devo Bhava, as they are our guest. In this way, we can attract the tourist round the year to exchange the cultural relations and monetary transactions. Glossary glorious, Vaibhavshali. Defect Batana. Prestigious, Shandar. Hospitality, Khatirdari. Practice exercise 1. Write an article to be published in your school magazine in 150 to 200 words. Cable TV, a boon or a bane. Second, write an article on physical education is important in schools in 150 to 200 words. Third, write an article about value-based education to be published in your school magazine in 150 to 200 words. Fourth, write an article on role of students in removing illiteracy in 150 to 200 words. Fifth, write an article on hazards of polythene bags in about 150 to 200 words for your school magazine. This track ends here. Speech writing or debate will be continued on the next track.